Hey, welcome back. Today's Swiss Army knife will be the Victorinox Pioneer Harvester. Stay tuned and we'll check this out. The Victorinox Pioneer Harvester, as we see here, commonly referred to just as the Harvester, comes new in the box, no part numbers or anything like that on this one. And it basically adds the wood saw to the Victorinox Rancher that we have previously looked at on this channel. So we get our standard care, use, and maintenance pamphlet. Then our look at those beautiful green scales. Now this knife has several special runs or variants that feature different colors of scales depending on when they were introduced and the reason, whether it was a club knife or something like that. And you may have also seen this knife commonly referred to as the Swiss Army 7 because in 2018 Victorinox started selling it under that name with silver Alox scales. Now the silver Alox models that have the Victorinox cross, or not cross, shield, like what you see here, carry a US model number of 53953. There are vintage red anodized scale versions with the silver cross, kind of like the old cross, that carry an identifier number of 0.8150.20. And then that same red anodized knife, but with a key ring, carries an identifier number of 0.1851.20. Okay, so we have a 93mm 3-layer knife, right at 9/16 of an inch, scale to scale. So we have no key ring on this model. We see the retention of the small pruning blade from the Rancher model that we previously looked at. And that is, of course, in place of the can opener. Get your standard cap lifter, bottle opener, wire bender with 90-degree stop. That also functions as a hollow ground screwdriver. And then again, what makes this the Harvester versus the Rancher is the addition of the wood saw. We have our standard main blade. And for tang stamp, Victorinox Swiss made stainless, with nothing on the rear. And that 1961 pattern of Reamer All from the soldier's knife. Now this knife specifically has a logo here. It is Lima Charlie Sierra Alpha Sierra. And I was able to find several other knives that have that label or that indicator on it, but I wasn't able to actually find what that stands for. But watching a Swiss Army Dan video, I believe that he said that's some kind of French collectors society, which may be what it is. If you know something different, hit the comments section below. So some related knives to this are the Victorinox Farmer, which we have a video of on this channel. It adds a key ring and replaces the pruning blade with the normal can opener. The Electrician Plus, which replaces the pruning blade with the sheep foot blade. The Rancher, which we've previously looked at, which removes the wood saw here. and would drop this down to 2 layers. And then obviously the Pioneer, which would have the regular can opener and no wood saw. Alrighty, another look at those beautiful green scales. I don't know if that would be like a forest green or a dark green. I'm not sure what they would call that, but it's really really looks nice. That about does it for this knife. If you like these videos, thumbs up, subscribe below, and as always, I appreciate your time. Stay tuned and be nice to one another.